Ok- Hello viewers, I am Ahmad Dhani, 11th grade class of Nasadutullah. Next now, I am going to discuss about its application with. Viewers, here we go to the text. Okay, then here there is text number one. The primary purpose of this passage is to so uneducated citizens have always had problem related to the colonial period of their history. They have often thought that early period to be less relevant, less historically significant than the later national period of their history. For many, the colonial era lacks seriousness it seemed, trivial and antique and so that in nostalgia, for much of United States history, people opinion has connected the country and half of the colonial period to be simply a coincident prologue to the main story that followed an American Revolution. In part, this is because the colonial period has become a natural source of corporate and American kitchen. The United States transforms authentic historical figures and heaven of the colonial past into mythical characters and legend. Unlike England, we have no King Canute, no King Arthur, no Robin Hood to spin tales and legend about. Instead, we have transformed John Smell and four characters, the figure Frogger and Sequentu, into Sequentu, sorry, historical figure about whom we know a great deal, into particular and fabulous character, but so has not always been the case in the chapter following the Revolution. The colonial period was an integral and important part of history. A. Argued that colonial history had to inspire on later period in United States history. B. Demonstrated that the colonial history of the United States is a mixture of legend and myth. C. Parent a rationale for teaching future generation of people in the United States about colonial history. D. Explain why many people in the United States perceive colonial history in a particular way. A. Suggests that a general ignorance of colonial history has caused people to revert the histories of that era. So, so the answer in here D, because option is incorrect because is in the purpose of the passage. The author doesn't suggest that colonial history has no influence. In fact, in the section following the American Revolution, the colonial period was an integral and important part of history. Option B is incorrect because this is too narrow to be the main purpose of the passage. The author says that the current UC perception of colonial history is a mixed one, but the paper of the matter is to explain why that is. Option C is incorrect because this is in the paper of the picture. The author doesn't text about the accession of Victor United States citizen about colonial history. Instead, the picture Victor on color UC perception of the time pursued and also compare the perception of the time pursued to of people in the desert following the American present and also the America Revolution. Option on A is internet because this is the main point of the max, the author doesn't because reference mixture opinion D is the cause. The passage starts by saying that people in the Pacific perceive the colonial period as a real product to our history and is told in nostalgia. The rest of the passage because on why as a citizen perceive colonial history in that way.
Lo.
So the answer is D. Okay, thank you very much. But for me, the last essay, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh,